Most people see a pair of cracked, leaky rubber boots as useless junk destined for the trash. A senior designer recognizes them as a sculptural, water-resistant canvas ready for a high-end structural second life. Today, we are performing material alchemy on seasonal staples. We are moving past the basic look of ordinary plastic pots and revealing the structural logic behind a whimsical rain boot garden, converting old footwear, rugged work boots, and iconic bright wellies into an interconnected geometric skeleton of vibrant vertical art. If you're ready to turn functional objects into stunning focal points that add uncompromised personality to your porches, fences, and entryways, your home. I'm Beki, and this is the Springtime Upcycling Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today is Thursday, June 4th, 2026. And we are capturing the ultimate refreshing burst of energy that makes every gardener want to start digging in the dirt immediately. In 2026, premium styling isn't about chasing rigid, factory-made uniformity. It's about the atmospheric curation of playful, sustainable luxury that sparks joy for every passerby. We are taking old, repurposed rain boots and layering them with seasonal blooms to achieve infinite volume in our cottagecore and modern farmhouse displays. Today, we aren't just planting. We are engineering a breathtaking conversation starter. Let's step into the logic. The Rubber Boot Garden Revelation 1. The philosophy of the playful vessel. In the world of Beki Decor, we firmly believe that the arrival of spring brings a fresh sense of wonder to every single corner of your outdoor space. This is the foundation of material alchemy. When the season introduces the gentle sound of raindrops and the sweet scent of fresh blossoms to our doorsteps, it triggers a deep desire to start digging in the dirt immediately. But to create a truly memorable display, you must step away from conventional design boundaries. Repurposing old, worn footwear into whimsical garden displays is one of the most eco-friendly and delightful ways to add uncompromised personality and character to your home. Whether you choose bright, vibrant wellies that scream cottagecore or rugged, textured work boots that ground a farmhouse aesthetic, you are transforming a mundane functional item into a striking piece of home decor. This creative approach to gardening doesn't just save money. It serves as a powerful conversation starter for guests and neighbors alike, establishing tactile integrity through unexpected mediums. 2. Structural logic. The anatomy of root thriving. To execute a rain boot garden successfully, you cannot simply throw soil into a shoe and hope for the best. You must obey strict structural logic to ensure your plants actually survive and flourish. Rubber and plastic boots are completely non-porous, meaning if you fail to calculate your drainage, water will pool at the heel, suffocate the soil, and rot the root systems within days. The first step in our structural layout is engineering proper fluid dynamics. Using a high-speed drill or a heated metal spike, you must punch at least 5 substantial drainage pathways directly through the absolute lowest points of the sole and heel. Next, instead of filling the entire boot with heavy potting mix, which can make the top-heavy shaft collapse under its own weight, we layer the bottom foot section with an internal skeleton of lightweight crushed stone or upcycled packing peanuts. This creates a highly breathable drainage grid, leaving the upper shaft perfectly primed for deep root expansion. It proves that whimsy must always be anchored by solid engineering. 3. Atmospheric curation on the porch and entryway. Once your boots are structurally sound, it is time to focus on your atmospheric curation. Your front porch or entryway is the first portal people encounter when visiting your home, and styling a spring rain boot planter arrangement here instantly lifts the energy of the entire facade. We avoid scattering a random, single boot haphazardly on a step. Instead, we design in deliberate, high-contrast clusters using the rule of odd numbers. Pair a tall, bright yellow set of wellies alongside a shorter pair in soft pastel lavender or mint green. This layout creates an immediate sense of scale and visual rhythm. By anchoring these colorful arrangements right next to your front door, or on your patio steps, you introduce an instant splash of farmhouse charm that brightens up the space, beautifully framing your transition from the outside world into your private sanctuary. 4. Vertical engineering. The fence-mounted grid. One of the most surprising and beautiful ways to utilize repurposed rain boot garden ideas is by moving them entirely off the ground and taking over your vertical planes. If you have a plain, weathered wooden fence line or a bare backyard wall, a series of floating rubber boot planters can completely transform that neglected boundary into a vibrant, living canvas. To hang your boots safely without destroying their shape, you must build a hidden mounting skeleton. We run heavy-duty rust-proof screws through a wide washer directly inside the back interior lining of the boot shaft, securing it firmly into a structural fence post or masonry anchor. This prevents the rubber from tearing under the weight of wet soil. By aligning the boots in a staggered, geometric zigzag array across the wall, you create a sweeping wave of vertical greenery. It breaks up the flat, harsh architectural lines of your property boundary, generating infinite volume where there was once just an empty wooden wall. Thank you for joining me for this springtime upcycling revelation. My deepest prayer for you today is that you stop overlooking the simple, forgotten items around your home and start seeing them as opportunities to inject whimsy and character into your life. Grab an old pair of wellies, drill your drainage holes, and build a beautiful boot planter that makes you smile every time you walk up your steps. If you've created a rain boot garden or upcycled an old set of footwear this week, drop a comment below. I want to see your colorful creations. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you this coming Sunday for our next grand reveal. Stay grounded in the light. Remember, your home is a living canvas, and true charm is shaped by the playful details you choose to cultivate. Don't be afraid to add a splash of unexpected color, to honor the vintage upcycle, and to build an inspired outdoor area that breathes with your soul. Use your hands, master the material, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep engineering your sanctuary.